Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to install Flutter on your Mac. First of all, you need to go to the Flutter's website and select the device. In our case it is macOS. After clicking macOS, you need to click on iOS, which is recommended over there, and after that you need to scroll down and install the SDK file. There will be two options: Intel processor and Apple Silicon. In my case, my MacBook Air M1, so I will be selecting Apple Silicon, and we will be downloading that. After this step, you need to move to the Android Studio website and you need to download Android Studio as well to run the Flutter. I will select Mac with Apple chip and it will start the download process of Android Studio. After this step, you need to open the terminal and just type over there Flutter. You can see over here I don't have any Flutter, so it's showed invalid. Now you need to create a folder to extract the Flutter SDK you have downloaded in your device. Okay, in my case I am creating the folder and I am naming the folder as Flutter dev. Okay, inside the folder you also need to create a new folder. In my case I am writing the folder name as SDK. In this SDK folder we will extract the Flutter zip file. Okay, since Flutter is installing in our device, we will open the terminal and type ls to find our path Flutter dev where we will extract. Okay, now we have to write cd Flutter dev over there and we will write ls and we will write cd SDK. After this step we need to unzip the Flutter zip file. Okay, let's now what you have to do is now just copy the file. You can just copy. Okay, just copy it and just write unzip space and just paste. Okay, the path will come over there, the location will come over there. Okay, after this step you need to press enter and you will see the extraction process. See over there the Flutter is extracting. There is win file created and many files. Okay, let's wait until the extraction process completes. Okay, now since Flutter extraction process has completed successfully, now you can type Flutter. Okay, now you can see command not found. Extracting Flutter file does not mean we have successfully installed Flutter. Okay, there are multiple steps more to install the Flutter fully in our device. Okay, this step we need to assign a path file. Okay, now you need to assign the path. Okay, as you can see in my terminal, After this step you need to enter Flutter. Okay, now some extraction happens. Okay, you can see over there Flutter has been extracted successfully in our device. Okay, after this step what you have to do is you need to enter Flutter Doctor. Okay, when you enter Flutter Doctor some extraction happens over there. Okay, you can see over there the extraction, and it is showing that I don't have Android Studio, Xcode and many more. Okay, to install Android Studio we have downloaded that DMG file. Okay, now drag and drop that DMG file to the applications. Okay, it is copying Android Studio to applications. Okay, after this step you need to go to the application folder and open the Android Studio. Okay, click on send and it will show starting download. Okay, now click on next and again on next, and you need to accept. Okay, both of this, select, and this as well. Until this is installing, let's download the Xcode for our Mac. Okay, search Xcode on the App Store, you will get the Xcode and click on download. Okay, now since the Android Studio has completed successfully, now click on finish and you will see this Android Studio homepage. And what you have to do is now in the Android Studio you will click on the Android Studio over there. Where is my cursor? And go to its setting, and you need to find languages and framework over there. Okay, if you find languages and framework over there, you need to select Android SDK, and you need to go to the SDK tools and select the Android SDK command line tools. Okay, in the SDK tools you have to select Android SDK command line tools latest. Okay, select this and press OK. And again run Flutter Doctor on your terminal, and you can see over there Android Studio has been successfully installed this time in our device. Okay, now it is showing us to download Xcode and Android Toolchain. Okay, to install Android Toolchain, okay, what you have to do is you need to write one code. Okay, one code in the terminal. Okay, you have to write Flutter Doctor -- Android licenses. Okay, as you can see in the screen, you need to write same to same as shown in my screen. Okay, and it will download. You need to press Y many times. Y means yes, to accept the agreement of the Flutter. Okay, now you can type Flutter Doctor and it will check again. Okay, now you can see over there. Okay, and your toolchain has been installed successfully, and Xcode has also installed successfully in our device. Okay, the main thing in Xcode is you need to open the Xcode, and you need to open something called components, and you need to download iOS 18.5 and plus iOS 18.6 simulator in your device. Okay, within the Xcode app. Okay, now in this step you need to open the Finder app and click on the Go and open the computer. After this step you need to click on Macintosh SD. After that click on users, and after that click on your Mac OS name you have set. Okay, and after that click on okay, and after that you have to click on the library. Since library is hidden, you need to press command shift with dot. Okay, command shift dot. Okay, yes, and we can say that dot as full stop, command shift full stop at once, and you can see this hidden file library. And open this and just open the Android and select STK folder. Inside that you need to copy this platform tools. Just copy this and just close. Okay, close this, and now you need to open the terminal. Okay, terminal, you need to open this code. Okay, after that press enter. Okay, now you need to enter the stop code. Okay, okay, in the second line. Okay, in the second line, what you can do is, okay, in the second line, in it, okay, you can type this much and just press command V and just paste. Okay, it will just paste semicolon, and just you need to write command O. Okay, sorry, control O, and press return and control X over there, and now you need to type source code, which is this. Okay, you type this code. Okay, just press enter, and now you can type the Flutter, and now you can see that Flutter has been installed successfully in your device. Okay, okay, this much for today. Have a nice day.